I don't know why I'm drinking this. I need the bathroom really badly. Oh my God. This road just makes you have to drive like a freaking lunatic. Where's Domino's when you need them? All right. There goes the Maxima. While I was doing research for my customer today, I learned that the Maxima's last model year was 2023, which doesn't make any sense to me. It was such a nice car. Was no one buying them? I don't understand. They looked so nice. That would have been my choice if I wanted a Nissan sedan. Ugh. Which direction is the stadium? I can't remember. Is it right here where you get to see the stadium? Because obviously we got the arch, but which way is the stadium? Did you use the correct turn signal? All I saw was your right turn signal as you were turning left, but maybe that was just from you swapping. I don't know. I'm not the police. It's certainly not the worst thing I've seen someone do out here behind the wheel. I'll have to let you guys know how today goes. I'm a little nervous and also not. Because I finished all of my certification, I need to find a way to use my time. But because I'm not allowed to get like internet customers yet, or work the floors yet, I guess I can just shadow people and take lots of notes. TRD Camry. Looks kind of cool. Steering wheel is hot. Okay. There's not a lot of battery, so I'll make this quick. I sold a car today, first car ever. 2023 Nissan Maxima. That's a neat looking Mustang. 2023 Nissan Maxima SR, sold it. It was like a $30,000 car. It was really nice. Really cool. Process wasn't as, I mean, I missed a few steps, but I had guidance, so that's fine. But overall, went really well, and I'm excited to sell more. But now I'm going home to do Memorial Day weekend stuff, and I'll record until I run out of battery, because the battery for the actual box thing is low. I didn't plug it in because I'm a bad boy. We're also getting really close to the beginning of June. So I'll be able to put the carbon air box on this thing real soon, and that'll make these driving videos even more fun. The music from The Office is playing in my head again. Sorry if the AC is a little noisy, but I am hot. Ram 1500. My forehead is sweaty. Palm spaghetti. Wait. Well, there's like no one out on the road today. It's not crazy busy, which is good. Means everybody is mostly home today. Uh-oh. Someone's having a bad day. As expected. Happy Memorial Day. We're looking for Salisbury Street. Salisbury steak. You still got the blue tape on your car. Is your car that new, sir? You got blue tape on the windshield? Doesn't look that new. Is that just delivery related stuff? Transportation? I wonder. We got this nice S-curve here. That's satisfying. We had so many rainy days. It wasn't great driving weather. There's a whole bunch of debris on the road. Ugh. I wonder if a video game set in St. Louis would be kind of cool. I'm sure you can make like a racetrack out of all these, you know, interstates and highways. You could even give it the atmosphere of Most Wanted. I think it would actually suit it really well. Stay over there, Mr. Expedition. So I sold a car today. Tomorrow's objective is to blow their minds and put together a really good video on the Nissan Z. I've got all the footage now. I'm gonna do all of the commentary stuff. I wanna see what they think. I'm gonna do my absolute best to make them go, God dang! We should just pay him to do this stuff too. That'd be kind of cool. I want to do as much stuff as possible. I want to do sales, I want to interact with people, and I want to do as much of the social media stuff as possible. If at all possible, I think it'd be really cool to do like the voiceover for like a commercial or like a radio ad. We're not missing my turn today. I'll tell you what though, that Nissan Z is a cool car. That genuinely is a car I want like sometime in the future. Especially the Nismo. I think I want a Nismo Z. Scratching the window. I wonder what that's from. Any trains today? Oh. So the big ass pothole I hit earlier today. If you guys are still with me. Ah! It was somewhere either over there or over there. Big ass freaking pothole. I still haven't checked the wheel. These grooves in the road feel so freaking weird. Moving the damn car around. Come on, give me green. Give me green. Oh, you... God dang it. Whew. I'm ready to get out of these clothes. These work clothes. You tire of them after a whole day of being in them. There's a Miata. I think you guys just did the segmented thing. I guess you guys have plenty of storage left. Ah. Those monster like claw mark things look like eyelashes when you put them by the headlights. I'm not sure about that. They look like eyelashes. Okay, wheel. Happy Memorial Day to everybody. I know this is gonna be out way after Memorial Day, but still, yada yada yada. Happy Memorial Day. Happy whatever day it is. If it's your birthday, happy birthday maybe. I'll see you guys in the next clip.